Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the VOTV version and that your device meets minimum requirements. This prevents failures later. Once verified, make sure you have your current password, recovery email, and any 2FA device accessible, because VOTV will prompt for them. Next, open the VOTV app or web portal and log in with your existing credentials. This authenticates you. After login, locate the Settings or Account menu. This is where Password Tools live, and select Change Password to start the process right away. You now follow the in-app change sequence. Enter your current password so VOTV can verify identity, then type your new password twice for confirmation. Use the strength meter guidance, include symbols, numbers, upper and lowercase, and meet length requirements, because a strong password prevents account takeover. If VOTV offers a password generator or recommends passphrases, consider using it for entropy. Once the form validates, click Save or Update. Then you'll usually be logged out of other sessions to enforce the change. Complete the process by confirming any email or SMS verification sent by VOTV. Verify it so the change finalizes. Then update any saved credentials in browsers or your password manager, because mismatches lock you out elsewhere. Make sure active sessions reflect the new password. Sign out and back in to test. If something goes wrong, check your 2FA device and network, clear the app cache or browser cookies, retry the change, and if still failing, contact VOTV support with error details for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.